Welcome to On Tilt Trading. I am currently long in Bitcoin. I'll walk you through what I have trading top down, starting here on the 4-hour chart. We can see yesterday Bitcoin put in some buy-side delivery here and then continued with that buy-side delivery here overnight and into today, creating a market structure shift here to the buy side, and now the 4-hour is bullish. Then coming down here to the 1-hour, we can see the same price action here, and this leg is equivalent to the price action in this leg here. And then we're getting this area of consolidation, which is being reflected in this area here. These areas are equivalent. And then into more detail down here on the 1-minute chart, this order block here is the higher time frame point of interest for this entry on this trade. So you can see price, after delivering to the buy side, consolidates in this area, puts in a break of structure here. So this level here, the high of this candle here closes above that level, which causes a break of structure, which would be a continuation pattern. Then when that happens, price pulls back in this area here, this little line that you're seeing there, this is a buy side inefficiency, or buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, or a bullish fair value gap that price traded into here before continuing to the buy side. Zoom in a little closer, and there is a small gap in between this candle and this candle. So this being candle 1, candle 2, and candle 3 of the fair value gap series of candles, where the high of candle 1 fails to come into contact with the high of candle 3, leaving a gap here in the space of candle 2 in between candles 1 and 3. This would create a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, or a bullish fair value gap. And as I mentioned, that price action caused the delivery to the buy side. I was able to take an entry here, and then was able to take profit here at this level. This level was a level off of the 4-hour chart here. There is a fair value gap right here, and this was for the rebalance of the high side of this fair value gap, or the low of candle number 1 in this sell side inefficiency, buy side imbalance, or a bearish fair value gap. So when this gap was filled, I took profit here, and then was waiting for an additional opportunity to take profit if liquidity was swept here at the swing high, but price never reached that level. And then here, additionally, on the 60-minute, we can see price now delivering to the buy side. I've been waiting for price to potentially return back to the buy side. If we look here, this blue dotted line, there was a market structure shift to the sell side on the 60-minute, and also a market structure shift here on the 15-minute, but we'll get to that. Currently, I have an order here set to put out in case there is a market structure shift here back on the 15-minute, which there is right now. I did miss a potential profit target here. If we come to the 1-hour, this is the sell side liquidity rest, or was the sell side liquidity resting above the Asian session. This was swept out here during the London session. Ideally, I would have taken profits here, but I was sleeping through this time period. I was just checking periodically here. Okay, we've I've got the market structure shift on the 15 now, so I'm going to send this limit order out and see if it get filled here, and this will be an add to the position. Still the same final target here. So you can see my take profit here for this trade is where I had mentioned previously, which is actually, I did not mention this previously. I was talking about this level here, this fair value gap here, for the overall trade idea, looking to target buy side liquidity above last week's high. This is the ultimate trade idea, or at least final target, and I plan to take profits along the way if price permits. So one profit target taken here, I'll take another here, I'll take one here, I'll take one here, I'll take one at a rebalance here, and then I'll take it all off here. And this is all areas, these are all areas of buy side liquidity. So I want to sweep out this liquidity with the price delivery algorithm if at all possible. And as I mentioned, there was a market structure shift here. Now price is starting to reverse, and the next area where there would be a shift on the 1 hour chart would be the London high right here, which if price does reach back up into the London high, whether or not I have an opportunity to add or not, I will take some profit in that area. And now here on the 15-minute, we can get a better look at this trade setup. So we have all of this price action here, let's say on the 1 hour, where price delivers to the buy side here. That price action is here. So with that delivery and price, here we get consolidation and a market structure shift. To consolidate here and create a market structure shift to the sell side here with this wick. Then price here creates a market structure shift to the buy side here. I set my stop below here and wait for price to pull back. And then you can see this level here, price pulls back here. I did not take an entry here. I waited until there was a confirmation on the 5-minute and engulfing candle, and then took the entry here. So if we go back, so that level is here. This is the 15-minute level here. Price trades into it here, so this would have been a valid entry here. I waited for this series of candles here to engulf this. Then I took my entry here. And then you can see buy side delivery there. And then when price traded into this fair value gap here for a rebalance, I took profit here. Price traded up a little higher, consolidating, and then here, this is when price swept the buy side from the Asian session. But again, I was not at my station at that time, so I missed that profit target or that profit taking opportunity. Though it was not a primary target, it would have just been a, let's say, a situational target, just in case price actually failed and went back to my break-even point. So ideally, I would want anytime a session or anytime session liquidity is swept, a 1 hour or 4 hour swing high or low is swept, or fair value gap is traded into. Those are the liquidity points that ideally I want to seek out and join in with the price delivery algorithm. in that price action. And now we can see price is currently pulling back, potentially pulling back into my add here, or at this level where the market structure shift took place. So a market structure shift here to the buy side as price was delivering to the sell side, and now has shifted back here to the buy side. There's a spread with my broker, so this level here is set to cover the difference of the spread between the bid and the ask, which you can see between the green and the red lines here. And now price is delivering here to the sell side, potentially into